Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama saya di Indo Brownie Channel, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan lagi reaction kita, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan series My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season ke-4 episode ke-7 ya. Kalau tidak salah episode 7 ya. Coba saya lihat. Ya, 7 yang judulnya Bats ya. Jadi di sini bakalan ada kayak kelelawar ya, tentang kelelawar yang menyerang kebun apelnya Applejack ya. Dan saya tidak mau spoiler bagi yang pertama kali nonton, dan ya kita langsung saja ke videonya. Kita akan mulai videonya dalam 3 2 1 mulai. Ya, seperti yang saya bilang di episode sebelumnya, kalau saya ini sudah nonton semua episodenya di season 4 ya. Begitu pula di season 5, jadi cuma rewatch ini bisa dibilang ya. Dan sebenarnya saya berdiri ini ya. Saya tidak punya tempat bagus untuk rekaman, jadi ya saya coba berbagai cara untuk rekaman di sini ya. Dan saya rekaman ini menggunakan handphone. Poni kecilku, apa makna persahabatan poni kecilku? Kini ku tahu sejak berteman, petualangan, keceriaan, keikhlasan, setia dan tabah, berbuat baik bersahaja, magis membuat sempurna. Poni kecilku, kalian adalah sahabatku. Okay.
Attention! This is the Sweet Apple Acres Cold Red. I need all hooves and claws on deck. Calm down, Applejack. Calm down? How can I calm down at a time like this?
Yeah.
Vampire fruit bats are attacking Sweet Apple
Kelelawar
Acres.
buah vampir.
But I thought the fruit bats usually stayed put
Fruit
in the West
bats.
Orchard.
The fruit bats do, but these aren't just your everyday ordinary fruit bats. They're vampire fruit bats.
Kelelawar buah vampir ya.
I'll be darned if
Jadi
they think they're
ini
gonna sink their fangs
agak
into my
beda
blue
dengan
ribbon apple.
kelelawar lainnya ya. That's a big
This here's on
huge
entry into the
apple.
Appaloosa State Fair's produce competition.
Besar banget
You
itu
know how
apelnya
much
coy.
TLC goes into getting an apple to grow like this?
Biasanya kalau tidak salah itu kan di negara-negara barat kan itu pakainya labu, ini pakainya apel. Dan bagaimana bisa apel bisa tumbuh sebesar ini coy, buahnya gitu.
Yeah, right. Be my guest.
Excuse me, Mr. Vampire Bat. We were just wondering if maybe you wouldn't mind leaving that really big apple alone?
Well, what'd he say?
Yes.
Huh?
But it could have been a no.
Oh.
This is the first vampire fruit bat I've ever met, and, well, it might take some time for me to really understand their language.
Oh, jadi berbeda bahasanya ya.
And in the meantime, this pest and his vermin friends are gonna go after my
Dan saya
prize
tidak tahu
apple.
bagaimana
And while
persisnya
they're
itu
at it, every
Fluttershy
other apple in
bisa
the
mengerti
orchard.
bahasa-bahasa hewan
These
ya.
vampire bats are nothing but a bunch of monsters.
Monsters? Oh, that's a bit harsh, don't you think?
No, I do not.
Kayaknya kita bakalan dengar lagu ya.
Vampire bats will give you a fright. Eating apples both day and night. They rest for a minute, maybe 3. Then they're eating every apple in your apple tree. They don't care about nada, not zilch, no nothing. Except bringing about an orchard's destruction.
Now wait just a minute, there's another side to this. And if I didn't
Duel ya.
defend them, then
Duel.
I would be remiss.
Duet ya.
These bats are mamas and papas too. They care for their young just like we ponies
Well,
do.
that's true, but
Give me a break, you're being too kind. These creatures have a one-track mind. The orchard is not their restaurant. But do they ever think what others may want? No, they don't. And that is just a fact.
saya suka lagunya
They
nih.
simply don't know how to act.
That's where I have to disagree. They're loyal to their family, spreading seeds both far and wide.
You see one coming, you better run and hide. They're big and ugly. And
Applejack ini
mean. Will you look at the
memberitahukan tentang hal negatifnya itu pamper fruit bats. Meanwhile Fluttershy sisi positifnya ya.
They've turned my life to a total disaster. Well, I for one don't have a doubt these birds.
Dan Rarity ikut menyanyi.
I second that
Rainbow
they
Dash
got to
juga.
go. These bats, they've got to hit the road. It comes down to just one simple fact. They've crossed the line, it's time to fight them back. Stop the bats, make them go and not come back. Stop the bats.
Waduh, semuanya malah ikut anu ya, membela Applejack ya. Cuma Pinkie Pie yang tadi backgroundnya itu anu coy, cerah.
They've crossed the line, it's time that we attack.
I'm sorry, Fluttershy, but I believe Applejack has made the better argument. These vampire fruit bats sound downright dreadful.
So let's get to rounding them up so that they don't destroy the rest of my orchard.
Fruit bat roundup, fruit bat roundup! Excuse me, but, what if instead of rounding them up, we let them have part of the orchard?
Have you lost your pest-loving mind?
They're only here because they're hungry. If we built a sanctuary for them, they could have their own apples to enjoy. After a while, they could even help the rest of your orchard. The vampire bats don't eat the seeds of the apples, and when they spit them out, they grow into even more productive apple trees.
Listen, Fluttershy, that sounds real nice and all, but every second we spend building this so-called sanctuary is a second they'll spend destroying orchard. You don't know what it was like the last time there was an infestation, but Granny Smith has told me enough stories about it that just the thought of it gives me nightmares. Granny says we lost a huge section of orchard that year. They had to ration out apples all winter.
What about the cider? There was still cider, right?
Not a drop.
No cider? No cider?
Ah.
We need to round up these monsters and we need to do it now!
Cider ini semacam
Granny Smith wasn't with
anu
Apple
kah?
Bloom and Big Mac checking out our produce competition in Appaloosa. She'd be here telling
Kayak
us to do just
apa
that.
namanya itu?
I'm sorry, Fluttershy.
Anggur
But I think Applejack
apa
is right.
wine gitu.
I just wish there was another way we could convince them not to eat them in the first place.
Kalau tidak memabukkan sih bukan ya, tapi kalau memabukkan ya itu
So
wine.
there's good news and bad news. The good news is that I found a spell that can get the vampire fruit bats to stop wanting to suck the juice from the apples. But in order for the spell to work, I need the bats' full and complete attention. Oh no. Fluttershy, I need you to do your stare on the bats. Oh gosh, I don't know.
What's the problem? You've used the stare plenty of times before.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not something I take lightly. I've made a vow not to use it except in dire circumstances.
This circumstance is plenty dire to me.
Me too. Think of the cider. Won't some pony please think of the cider?
Aduh, mau banget minum cider anu ya.
I just don't like the idea of
Rainbow
taking
Dash.
away the thing that really makes the vampire fruit bats vampire fruit bats. It just feels wrong. But if we don't do this, there won't be any apples left for any pony here in Ponyville. Doesn't that feel wrong too?
Aduh, serba salah. Fluttershy serba salah.
So what's it gonna be, Fluttershy? Will you do your stare on the bats or not?
Okay, I'll do it. Good choice. I knew you wouldn't side with those icky bats.
Icky bats.
They're not icky.
First round of cider's on me! Hold it right there. We gotta round up these beasts with wings first. Time's a-wasting.
Benci banget ya Rarity sama anu ya, Vampire Fruit Bats.
Good work, every pony. I think we got them all. Now all we need is for you to do your stare.
Are you sure I really need... Okay. I really, really, really hate to do this to you. I just hope you can forgive me.
Good. Now you go.
Oke.
All right.
Tidak banyak komentar yang saya bisa berikan ya. Dan kali ini sedikit detail ya. Itu cahayanya kena Fluttershy sedikit.
You can stop staring, Fluttershy.
Did it work? Only one way to find out for sure.
Dan by the way, saya punya pertanyaan.
We'll be drinking
Kan sekarang mereka ini benci apel ya.
I want to thank you for your help.
Tapi
I couldn't have
mereka
done it
bakalan
without
makan apa gitu?
you. Don't mention it,
Apakah
Applejack.
makan
It was
buah
my pleasure.
lain gitu?
Really.
Dan menyerang
Now all we
kebunnya
gotta do is sweep up these
poni
skulls so I
lain.
can start bucking fresh tomorrow morning.
atau gimana tuh?
Apple bucking day, take 2. Yeehaw! Time to collect those juicy sweet apples.
The spell didn't work.
You're darn tootin' the spell didn't work. I think we're gonna have to take more extreme measures.
I hear you, Applejack. Come on, everybody. Let's track down those vampire bats.
Wait a minute. I don't think these bats are the ones that suck my apples dry.
But if the vampire bats aren't eating your apples, who is? Fluttershy, you're our animal expert. Do you know of any other creature that might be capable of this? I'm sorry, I don't. Well, there's only one way to find out. We'll have to catch whoever it is in the act. And how do you propose we do that? A stakeout. The witching hour. Maybe we should just call this off. I'm not sure about the rest of you guys, but I'm really hungry. Oh, Fluttershy, it'll be okay. Don't forget, darling, we're all in this together. That's right. No pony leaves this orchard until we solve this mystery. Agreed? Agreed!
Does every pony have their pony signal?
Yang paling mudah sih melakukan signal gitu anu ya, unicorn ya.
Now
Minimal
remember,
kayak
Pinkie Pie,
kayak
only
kayak
use a signal
or
if you
pony
see
kayak
something
anu.
suspicious.
Pinky butuhnya center.
Suspicious. What you doing?
All right, now every pony split up. We'll each patrol our own row of the orchard. Whoever or whatever's destroying my apples has got to be here somewhere.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Iya.
Really bad feeling about this. That apple, it looks so juicy and sweet.
Yep. Taringnya Fluttershy tumbuh ya.
Suspicious! It's pony signal time! Who's there?
Yep.
Well, there's obviously no need to worry about that shadowy figure overhead. Maybe there is. I think I'll just go see how Rainbow Dash is doing. Who's there?
Kayak hantu aja ini
Answer
Fluttershy.
me, or you'll regret it. Fine, have it your own way. Take that, you scarecrow. Applejack, what is it?
Yep, and that's Fluttershy.
Fluttershy? Yoo-hoo! Fluttershy!
Malah Fluttershy jadi vampire fruit
Not
bats.
Fluttershy. That's Flutterbat.
We've
Flutterbat.
gotta get her down from there.
Fluttershy, sweetness, please come down and do stop being a vampire bat. Fluttershy, it's me, Rainbow Dash. Why don't you cut the bad act and come on down? Whoa! Maybe we should just let her come down when she's ready.
Flutterbat on the loose! Run, Pinkie Pie, calm
Malah
down.
menggalitan
See?
si
She's back on her
Pinky.
branch. She's just biding her time, waiting for the right moment to pounce.
Pinkie Pie, bats don't eat ponies.
Hmm.
Not even vampire bats.
But maybe vampire ponies eat other ponies. I'm not taking any chances.
How did this happen? That's what I don't understand.
I think this was actually our fault.
Our fault? And how'd you figure that?
Wow.
Okay,
Magic.
So this is me.
Apa ya?
These are the bats, and this is Fluttershy doing her stare. The spell was supposed to go right
Projector.
onto the bats, like
Magic
this.
projector.
But somehow the spell must have backfired. It took the vampire fruit bat's desire to be vampire fruit bats and transferred that desire into Fluttershy. Come
Dan
on,
bahkan kayak
we'll reverse
sayapnya
the spell
taringnya
and make it
berubah loh
right.
si Fluttershy.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's save Fluttershy before that thing eats us all! Take the deck! Follow that bat!
Oh, follow that bat. Wow, telinganya berubah ya.
I can't believe we lost her.
Oh, Fluttershy, where are you?
Kenapa bisa ya juga berubah kayak DNA-nya? Tubuhnya gitu, yang berubah.
Look out!
If she keeps this up, your whole crop will be gone in no time.
That's the least of my worries. I just want my friend back.
We'll never get her back unless we corner her and catch her so I can reverse the spell. There she is.
There she goes!
Oh, this is no use. I think the only way we're gonna catch her is if we find a way to lure her closer to us.
But even if we can lure her to us, how are we gonna get her to stay still long enough for you to do your reverse spell?
Oh, if only we had Fluttershy to do her stare on the Flutterbat.
And
That's it. Okay, let's get our friend back. Action station.
wow, what a sacrifice.
So much for having the winning apple in the Appaloosa State Fair, huh?
Padahal sudah tumbuh sebesar itu, sayang banget tuh harus dikorbankan.
She's coming!
No gonna lie, banyak orang yang lewat tadi di sini, jadi saya kebanyakan diam pas mereka lewat gitu. Agak malu kalau dilihat.
Goodness, you're okay.
But what happened to me?
Dan Fluttershy akhirnya kembali normal ya.
I tried to eat ponies?
No.
Of course not! So I wasn't a vampire? Yes! Yes, I was? Or yes, I wasn't? Yes, you were! But I didn't try to eat ponies?
Tidak.
I did? No! Confused.
Me too. And I was there.
Kayaknya jawabannya Pinkie Pie yang paling bikin ada ya.
Fluttershy, I'm real
Yang
sorry
buat
I didn't take your
Fluttershy
suggestion in
bingung
the first
gitu.
place.
And don't forget, now you'll get seeds that will grow into even bigger and better apple trees. Does that mean what I think it means?
Yep, more cider too. Okay, got the part about the spell, Fluttershy turning into a bat, building the sanctuary. Be sure to put in there that I came to see that my short-term solution was a little
Ya,
short-sighted.
diary-nya ya.
You shouldn't let any pony pressure you into doing something you don't think is right. Sometimes you have to tell even your closest friends no.
Terkadang
How about we
kau
celebrate
harus
our
mengatakan
stronger than
tidak
ever
kepada
friendship
teman
with a nice, ripe,
terdekatmu ya.
juicy apple.
Stand back! I want to suck its juice!
Suck its juice. Masih tajam ya anunya ya, taringnya Fluttershy. Entah 100% sudah normal Fluttershy atau bakalan ada, kayaknya nggak bakalan ada sih, karena saya tidak pernah dapat spoiler kalau misalnya Flutterbat kembali gitu. Dan itu adalah episode ke-7 dari My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season keempat ya. Dan untuk video kali ini mungkin segitu saja, tidak ada lagi yang saya bisa katakan. Dan ya, jika kalian suka dengan konten-konten seperti ini, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya. Dan jika kalian ingin mendukung saya, kalian bisa dukung lewat Patreon, Sawery, ataupun Traktir yang linknya di deskripsi. Bisa juga lewat Dana sebenarnya ya. Dan ya, untuk video kali ini mungkin segitu saja. Sampai jumpa di next video. Free Palestine. Bye.